ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. As we can see, the way it's moving is really corrective, and even if the price broke the previous top, that's why if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we have a divergence in my last analysis. That's why I mentioned buying within this range as long as the price haven't broke the stop, the previous stop, which is 1.84. Buying within this one is not really good idea. Then whether we should look for buy or sell, okay? And as we mentioned, we have a divergence. If we want to look for buy, either this one turn to a deeper move, then from there we look for reversal, or let the price break the stop, then from there we can look for buy. Can we put our entry above the top or above here in case the price sharply continue from here? It can be an option, but we should know that we want to see the sharp move. If the price tag and drop, then we almost will bought at the top the highest price of this correction. Okay, now want to see how we can look for trade setup. This is the reasons why we do the analysis. Okay, and if we refer to daily chart, we mentioned if the price cannot broke the previous top, we can expect this one give us one more drop, and the next drop, since we have a flat, if the price drop easily, the price can retest the previous low at least 1.2. Okay, that's why we want to see if we get the opportunity to look for sell at the top. If we can get the confirmation in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. Okay, it doesn't mean the price is going to drop. We want to see whether we can get the continuation and opportunity to look for sell or not. But in a long term, we prefer for up move. In this case, we move to lower time frame. We want to see what we have based on forward chart. And if we move to 1 hour forward chart, similar explanation we give based on 1 hour chart, because even if there is a continuation with the breakout of 1.84, may we get the divergence based on MACD, but mostly based on the other indicators, I see the divergence. That's why if we want to look for buy, having entry above the top is really risky, or buying within this. It depends on the strategy they use, the traders they use. But the best thing is we see the breakout confirmation, we take the trade from there. Okay, and that's why the way it's moving is corrective. If we get any sell setup, it can give us better opportunity. Better trade setup. And even if we want to look for buy, let this one turn to a deeper move. At least we look for bigger correction. Okay. Now, how we can look for trade? If we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if you want to look for buy, the best things is if we get the one deeper move, then from there we look for reversal. And right now we don't have any trade setup for buy, but the only things I'm looking for, if we get any sell setup. How about if the price drop from here? If we sell, we will sell from here, because we put our stop loss above this. There, this is what we risk, and the price, if the price drop retest the previous low, this is what we get. That's why right now I'm looking if I get the trade for sell. Okay, and right now, if this one turn to deeper move, if we get any sell, we can take the trade. And we're looking for the price to drop to 1.69, following by 1.62 if the price could break 1.65, which is the previous low. That means if the price drop, we can expect the price drop to somewhere between 1.69, following by a 1.62 deeper move. Then from there, we can confirm whether the price can continue or reverse. That's why if we get any sell from here with stop loss around 1.84 or above here, we try to put around at 1.84. Then if the price drop, it can give us a really good trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.